In this video, I will show you how to add money in TapTap Send. So if you want to add money in your TapTap Send account, then I will show you how you can do this. So first of all, log into the account where you want to have money on, and then go ahead and click on the Account tab all the way at the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on Add Card. In this section, you will see your balance on your TapTap account, and right now it is 0, but if you want to have this increased and to top this up, then what you need to do is you need to use your referral code. Because once you use your referral code and someone makes a transaction with that code, they will receive €5 off and you will receive a €5 bonus. So every time someone does that, you will keep receiving this bonus. So if you want to use this and to top up this balance, because it will be visible in here, then you need to click on share your referral code. So go ahead and click on this, and then you need to click on copy link. And in that link, there will be a promo code visible, and that is the code that other people need to use in order to get the money. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.